Hi, today I'm going to talk about the world is flat for entrepreneurs part 1. What is the meaning of world is flat? With the invention of internet, people can be reached across the globe using email or the messengers or video conference calls. Previously, if you want to do the same thing, you have to travel across the globe to make the same things happen. So, now I am going to explain the new concepts how can we use the internet for our entrepreneurship dreams. The first example is the crowdfunding sites. So how it works: if you have a business plan and idea, you have to record the presentation and upload into the crowdfunding sites like Kickstarter, Indiegogo, and the crowdfunder, and people across the globe will watch your business plan or the idea, and if they like it, they are going to sponsor the money. For that you for that you have to return back either your product or your any company logo t-shirts or anything you can compliment for their donations. If I take one example, the successful one is the Pebble watch, where the angel investors are rejected the idea, but the crowdfunding helped their product to get into the market. So when they launched this idea on the Kickstarter, within 40 days of the campaign, they are able to generate $10 million from 68,000 individual investors across the globe. So when they release the product, they are able to sell the product within 5 days from the Best Buy stores. So that is the power of the crowdfunding we have right now in the internet. The second example is the crowdsourcing. If you take, what is the meaning of crowdsourcing? You source your solutions from the crowd by using the internet. The best example is the 99designs.com. Suppose you started a company and you want to get a logo for your product or the company. So you are going to present on the 99 designs and you are going to say that how much you are going to pay for that solution. So, and you are going to get all the solutions from the internet, and you select one and pay the money whatever you want to pay. So that is the one for the crowdsourcing. The second one is that the crowdsourcing moved to the NASA's photo organization project, where the users select the photos taken by the Mars and you identify the location of the photo. So if I move to next level, the new economy, the crowd sharing economy. So what is the meaning of crowd sharing? Suppose you went for a vacation for 1 month and you are not going to use your house for 1 month. You can rent your house either Airbnb or any other crowd sharing sites, and they are going to rent your house and you get the money for your unused 1 month. The second example is the Jeep cars. In this case, suppose you go to the airport and you are going to park the car for 5 days paying the parking fee. Instead of that, you can rent your car through the Jeep car site, and for that unused vehicle you can make some money. At the same time, you are saving some natural resources. The third one is the snap goods. In this case, suppose you want to buy a drill or a snow blower. Instead of buying, you can rent from your neighborhood through the internet. So you can save the natural resources and you no need to own it. You can rent and solve your things. So in the part 1, I am going to conclude the world is flat for entrepreneurs. If you think on the opportunities today existing for the 21st century. So the internet is the driving factor for the 21st century, like a steam engine in the 19th century. Thank you.